Dennis, your pet lizard sure eats a lot of weeds.
Are you kidding? This is just lunch. He eats twice as much for dinner.
Martha! Dennis has been in my garden again. And when I find that crazy kid, I'm gonna teach him a lesson. Help! Dinosaurs! Dinosaurs in my garden! Help! Dinosaurs!
This is Officer Karen. We got a loony on the loose.
Dinner's ready.
You cut that out, Bruno. How am I going to keep you a secret when you do things like that? Oh, come on.
My goodness. You must be hungry today, Dennis.
We're going to have to put you on a diet.
Bruno's just getting too big, Joey. We've got to find a better place to hide him.
I see what you mean. I mean, I've heard about growing your home, but this is ridiculous.
Come on, Joey. This calls for drastic action. Go on, Bruno. You stay in here where nobody'll see you.
What about Mr. Wilson?
He's in the hospital. Mrs. Wilson said something about him seeing things.
It's Mr. Wilson. He's coming back.
Let's get out of here.
Home! Home at last!
Yes, dear, and no more seeing things.
Absolutely not. No more. Seeing things! I told you! I told you! A dinosaur!
Now, dear, I'm sure a little rest and relaxation and you'll feel much better this time.
Huh?
Oh, dear, and the doctor said not to let him get excited.
Uh-oh. Looks like Mr. Wilson's in trouble.
Oh, no. I gotta help him.
Dinosaurs!
This is Officer Karen. That loony's on the loose again.
Giddy up, Bruno.
Leaping lizards! Sergeant, you're not gonna believe this!
Ah! That's what I said. Oh my goodness! Don't move! I'm coming!
Over there, Bruno. Hurry.
You lift and I'll push.
Way to go,
Wilson, are you okay?
For goodness sake, Dennis, you've got a dog. Did you really need another pet?
All right, where did he go? What's this I hear about a dinosaur?
Over here, mister! Well, you see, I found this egg.
Oh, boy.
And this egg sorta hatched.
I noticed.
But what's gonna happen to Bruno now? It's not safe for him in this city.
Or us?
I'm sorry, folks. I know what to do with dinosaur bones, but the living kind are out of my line.
I know what to do. I know exactly where to send Bruno.
Someplace safe?
For Bruno and for everybody. Where he's going, he won't be any trouble at all.
Print! Great work, Brotho baby. That looked terrific. Now you can relax when we set up the next shot.
This was a great idea, Dennis.
Sending Bronto to Hollywood has worked out perfectly.
It sure has. You like being a movie star, Bruno, old boy? I think that means yes. Hey, Bruno, will you take us on a tour of the studio?
Dennis!
It's safe, Mom. Come on up and have the ride of your life.
Why not?
Let's go, Bruno. And don't spare the horses. Is that lizards?